In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage office hours for your team using the Master Scheduler option. Once you're logged into ConexED, go to Campus Calibrate and open a group that you oversee or manage. Here you'll see the Master Scheduler tab. From Master Scheduler, I can create office hours for anyone on my team by selecting their name from the drop-down option. And here I can create office hours. You can drag and drop. You'll notice the light blue option and create office hours. Okay. If the end or the start time is incorrect, simply use this X and enter the numeric value and then select from the drop-down. Single event or recurring event. Recurring allows me to create events or office hours for the same time, different days of the week, and even set an end date. Maybe the office hours only apply through the end of the semester. Group would default based on the group that you are using, but you can always change if you're part of multiple groups or that counselor is part of multiple groups. And select the meeting type or location by video, okay, telephone, in office, and reason codes. Does this person, are they able to meet with students for all of the reason codes in the group or specific reason codes? And if you do not see this reason code option, it's because there is a group setting that allows you to just say, all group reason codes apply for all office hours for our team. So you may not see this reason code option. You may not see office hour tags as well. That is a group setting. If you do have office hours tags, you can select which office hour tag is applicable or simply create. All right. Now once the office hours are created, you can, if you need to, make a change by simply selecting. You can edit a single occurrence, edit the series, delete an occurrence, or delete the series. Okay, so those options are available just simply clicking the office hours. From the same Master Scheduler tab, you can also create busy events. If your team has an internal meeting or you need to block off a specific amount of time, you can do that by, again, the light blue, create busy events. Busy events, conflicts, for example, or out of the office, I can do that. And then we do have busy event options here. Again, you can change the start or the end time and simply enter the numeric value. And it can be a single or recurring event as well. Okay, create. And that busy event, if it conflicts or coincides with office hours, it will also block that time off. But this is available for your team to see from the group calendar tab that they are at a conference, they're not available or able to meet with students during that time.